Alexa, play notification.
Hey guys, Mark's here today. I'm going to show you the most annoying sound in the world. So guys, this is how you do it. You go get these walkie-talkie watches with the compass and stuff, not sponsored by the way. If you see these push to talks, push both, it won't do nothing. Don't push any, it won't do nothing. But if you push one and put them like close together and put these out, them close together, it makes this annoying sound. Ouch, my ears. Yeah.
Why does it go down like that?
And yeah, that's the most annoying sound in the world. That's it. So